Hi, I'm Nicole Thomas with SalePoint here at the Gartner Identity and Access Management Conference. I'm actually here live with one of our customers.
Hi, I'm Kayla Williams. I'm the Director of GRC for LogMeIn.
Thanks, Kayla, for being here. Could you tell us a little bit more about what you do at LogMeIn?
Absolutely. I am the Director of GRC, which is Governance, Risk, and Compliance. So I take the CISO's vision and put it to pen and paper. I have created our security policies and control standards, as well as our governance forums with our executive management to discuss all things security and technical privacy related.
Fantastic. What would you say the biggest issue security pros are facing right now?
I would have to say the ambiguity of the expectations that we have. There's a lot of guidance being put out, but no one's really saying how to do it. So if you look at things like GDPR or CCPA, there's a whole lot of talk about what you need to do, but not how to do it. So every company is doing something a little bit differently, which means that resources are being spread too thin, priorities are constantly shifting just to meet those sort of expectations, especially when you talk about customers. One customer might want one thing, let's say all of your data hosted in Europe. And another one might say, oh, no, I want all my data hosted in Canada. And how are companies supposed to be flexible enough to handle that without someone somewhere saying what they need to do?
Absolutely. Where does identity fit into the overall security landscape?
Identity lifecycle management, or the entire IAM program, really is at the forefront of everything. When we talk about technical privacy, GDPR, CCPA, if you talk about ISO 27001, HIPAA, high trust, etc., it's all about making sure that your access is at the least privilege, that people are not accessing data that shouldn't be accessing it, especially when we talk about how data can be sold on the black market. It becomes a real risk to organizations if they don't have a good IAM program in place.
Speaking of IAM program, can you tell us a little bit about what you're planning to accomplish with SalePoint?
Yeah, absolutely. We are going to be trying to run our entire IAM program right through SalePoint. So we are actually just at the beginning phases of our project, which is taking our critical applications and onboarding them into SalePoint. With that, we've had to create an entire joiners, movers, leavers process that we could roll out across the entire organization. And we're working very closely with the SalePoint team on access roles management, as well as the AI and machine learning components as well.
As you start that, what are your accomplishments planned for the coming year as we head into 2020?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are looking to onboard all of our SOX critical applications first and foremost, just to make sure that we're abiding by the law. And then we've actually established a criticality questionnaire with all of our other applications. So we're going to be slow rolling those into our program. And with that, it's going to be a major culture change for the entire organization. And we're planning to send out lots of communications around that just to make sure everybody's on board. Change management, it's a huge thing. But IAM is really the core of our security focus for this year.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great time at the conference.
Thank you very much.